How to sell Rock Luna in Coinbase. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to buy and then sell Rock Luna on Coinbase. Now over here we're at coinbase.com. We're going to look on the left side and then click on trade. Then we're going to search on all assets, Rock Luna. Then we're gonna see here, this is our Rock Luna. Then we're gonna click. Then we're gonna see its value. Then to buy Rock Luna, we're gonna have to buy with Coinbase wallet. We're going to click this, and this will redirect us to the Coinbase wallet where we can download it. We will use Coinbase wallet to deposit money to buy Rock Luna. After that, you would be able to buy Rock Luna, and then when you go to your My Assets, you would be able to see your Rock Luna over here, and then you would be able to sell them. And that's it guys, that's how you buy and then sell Rock Luna on Coinbase.